Almost everyone has experienced this. You open your phone for a moment, just a few minutes, just one video, just one post, just one notification. Then something strange happens. 5 minutes becomes 20, 20 minutes becomes an hour disappears without notice, and when it's over, many people cannot even remember what they watched. The content is forgotten, the time is gone, and the cycle repeats the next day. This raises an uncomfortable question. If people are not always enjoying the experience, why do they keep coming back? Why do they keep scrolling? The answer reveals something important. Because modern platforms are not simply providing content, they are learning how to hold human attention.
For most of internet history, websites had endings. A page ended, a video ended, an article ended. Users reached a stopping point. Then one design decision changed everything. Infinite scroll. Content no longer ended. The next post appeared automatically. The next video appeared automatically. The next recommendation appeared automatically. The experience became continuous, simple, effortless, seamless. At first, it seemed like a convenience, but convenience often changes behavior. And this small design choice transformed how billions of people interact with information. Because humans evolved in a world with natural stopping points. Meals ended, conversations ended, stories ended. But infinite scroll removed the ending. And when endings disappear, something changes inside the human mind.
Most people believe they are searching for content, but that may not be entirely true. What many people are actually searching for is possibility. The possibility of finding something interesting, something useful, something funny, something surprising, something important. The next swipe might contain it. The next video might contain it. The next recommendation might contain it. And that possibility keeps the search alive, even when satisfaction never fully arrives. This mechanism is far older than the internet, but the internet has learned how to use it exceptionally well.
Imagine a slot machine. Not knowing what comes next is part of what makes it compelling. Sometimes nothing happens. Sometimes something interesting appears. The uncertainty keeps people engaged. Social media works in a surprisingly similar way. One post is boring. The next is fascinating. One video is forgettable. The next is incredible. One swipe delivers nothing. The next swipe delivers a reward. The brain becomes interested in the possibility, not the guarantee, the possibility. And that possibility encourages repetition. Swipe, check, refresh, repeat. Over time, the behavior becomes automatic, not because people consciously choose it every time, but because habits are powerful, and repeated habits often become invisible.
Human curiosity is one of the most valuable forces in history. It helped humans discover continents, build civilizations, create science, develop technology. But curiosity has become valuable in another way: profitable. Every additional second of attention has value. Every extra minute matters. Every return visit matters. Because attention fuels advertising. Attention fuels engagement. Attention fuels growth. As a result, entire industries now compete to understand human curiosity. What captures it? What sustains it? What brings people back? Algorithms continuously learn from behavior. Every click becomes data. Every pause becomes data. Every share becomes data. Every scroll becomes data. And over time, these systems become increasingly effective at predicting what humans will do next.
Throughout history, humans relied on boundaries. A chapter ended. A television show ended. A newspaper ended. Those endings provided a decision point. Should I continue, or should I stop? Infinite scroll removes that question. The next piece of content appears before the brain asks whether it should continue. This sounds insignificant, but small design choices can create massive behavioral changes, because behavior is often influenced by environment. People do not simply make decisions, they respond to systems, and modern systems are becoming increasingly skilled at shaping behavior, not through force, but through design.
Every activity has an opportunity cost. Time spent doing one thing cannot be spent doing another. An hour scrolling is an hour not reading, not creating, not reflecting, not learning, not building, not connecting deeply with another person. The issue is not that scrolling exists. The issue is scale. Minutes become hours, hours become days, days become years. And because the process feels harmless, the accumulated effect often goes unnoticed. Most people never decide to sacrifice attention. They simply lose it gradually, one swipe at a time.
The future may be defined by an unexpected divide. Not intelligence, not education, not wealth. Attention. Because knowledge is becoming available to everyone. Artificial intelligence is becoming available to everyone. Information is becoming available to everyone. But focus remains limited. The people who learn to control their attention may gain extraordinary advantages. They will learn faster, think deeper, create more, adapt more effectively. Meanwhile, those who lose control of their attention may find themselves constantly reacting to systems designed by others. The battle is no longer simply about information. It is about who controls attention, the individual or the algorithm.
Technology is not inherently good. Technology is not inherently bad. It is a tool. But tools change behavior, and behavior changes lives. The question is not whether social media affects attention. It clearly does. The deeper question is whether humans remain aware of what is happening, because awareness creates choice, and choice creates freedom. Every scroll may seem insignificant. Every click may seem insignificant. Every minute may seem insignificant. But lives are often shaped by small actions repeated thousands of times. The modern world has become extraordinarily skilled at capturing attention. The challenge for humans is learning how to protect it. Because your attention is more than a resource. It is the foundation of your future. And whatever controls your attention eventually influences who you become.
If you enjoy documentaries about digital psychology, artificial intelligence, internet culture, the creator economy, and the future of human behavior, subscribe to Nexora. Because understanding technology is important, but understanding what technology is doing to humans may be even more important. This is Nexora, Inside the Modern World.